right, let's move on now. We'll stay on top of the wildfires, of course. During the height of the pandemic, many Bay Area school children took part in what families say was advertised as free COVID-19 testing at schools, covered by the CARES Act. But now, 3 years later, some families say they're still receiving bills from the lab that conducted those tests. That lab is now suing health insurance companies for reimbursements that they say they're owed. 7 on Your Side is digging in, and I-Team reporter Melanie Woodrow is here with the latest. Melanie?
Dan, for the two families I spoke with, their children were having multiple COVID tests because they played high school or club sports. They say the lab sent them a letter saying they wouldn't be billed under any circumstance, but the lab bills haven't stopped coming. As COVID-19 raged during the early pandemic, COVID testing at schools was critical and welcomed.
The testing was supposed to be free testing that we got that was performed by a laboratory that came to the school sites.
Debbie, who asked that we not use her last name, says her son had multiple COVID tests at school, facilitated by PMH Laboratory. She says she received this letter stating, quote, PMH's sole compensation will be through insurance reimbursement or through the CARES Act. No student, staff, and/or family member will receive a bill from PMH from the services provided under any circumstance.
The bill started coming probably about, I would say, 8 months to a year later.
She says she ignored them at first, but they kept on coming.
Years. It's very frustrating to be getting these bills at least once a month.
Debbie's son's bill was for more than $300. 7 on Your Side reviewed another student's PMH bill for more than $1,000.
We just want to get it resolved.
Both families had Blue Shield of California insurance. I reached out to Blue Shield and PMH. In an emailed statement, PMH tells 7 on Your Side its general practice is not to invoice patients for COVID-19 testing during the public health emergency if patients provided insurance information at the time of testing, but that certain insurers improperly issued payments for the test directly to the patient instead of issuing the payment directly to PMH. The lab claims this practice violated the CARES Act, which specified the insurer shall reimburse the provider, not the patient. The lawsuit states defendants' intent was to profit by issuing only partial payments to patients and by forcing out-of-network providers like PMH to chase recovery of such lower payments from the patients. In its statement to ABC 7 News, PMH says this practice placed an undue burden on patients to identify why they received the payment and to deliver the insurer's payment to PMH. Also that it placed an undue burden on PMH to obtain the issued payment from the patient. According to the lawsuit, as of December 1st, 2022, Blue Shield owes PMH no less than $38 million for COVID testing and services. In its statement to 7 on Your Side, Blue Shield of California said it acted no differently with respect to PMH Laboratory, writing in part, quote, we can state that we follow all applicable regulations and laws, including the CARES Act as it relates to COVID testing payment practices. Debbie says she did receive payments from Blue Shield for the COVID tests, and that she followed instructions to send those payments to PMH Laboratory.
The lab basically said that they are working on the bills, but I've never saw anything much resolved from it.
It's not clear why a balance remained and her son kept getting bills. After 7 on Your Side contacted PMH, the attorney who filed the lawsuit against Blue Shield spoke with Debbie and said her bill would be resolved. It's possible other families also received direct payments from an insurer, but didn't understand what those checks were for or that they needed to pay PMH in return. PMH tells ABC 7 News it's committed to working with patients and that anyone receiving COVID-19 testing bills who isn't sure why can contact PMH's billing vendor to resolve their account. In the newsroom for 7 on Your Side, Melanie Woodrow, ABC 7 News.